Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have the Hygger 4-in-1 aquarium filter. This thing is pretty awesome. It does a whole bunch of different things. So, one, I have the rain bar set up on top of this. So you have this semi-submerged and will kind of create like a rain effect, which is pretty great. You can also make it a smaller bar or use the larger bar together so it can fit basically any aquarium you have going out there. And then this power head comes off, and then you can use a standard kind of like float bar that goes on top of there like that, and then you can like turn that in any direction that you have. So that's pretty awesome. You have 4 suction cups on the back that holds the power head in place, and then you have your aeration hose that you can remove if you want that or not. And then it's got this cool ability to pull apart so you can clean that rather well. And then it has this stage filter that you can remove. I'm kind of holding my fingers here. Is an extra filter, and very easy. You can use both stages or singly, and the top comes off and it'll probably bounce away on you, so make sure you hang on to it. But that's that filter that goes inside. That's a peek inside what that looks like. So very cool. And I love that it basically, you can adapt this to any tank configuration you have. This pulls apart, and then you put this end cap on here, make a smaller filter. So let's get this going and get this plugged in. So I love the fact that it's kind of like modular, so you can do a bunch of different configurations with this. And then let's put this spray bar on top. And then again, you can swing it to the other side as well. So super versatile. Let's make sure all the fittings are nice and together. And then you have an end cap here as well that you can put onto the smaller one if you decide to move that around. And then we will slowly put this inside of the tank. And I'm just putting it here for demonstration purposes. I'm probably going to mount this towards the back of the tank. Let me just move it over. I got some snails hanging out there. And then we'll get that basically situated like that. Let me get this cord undone. Okay, so let's plug it in. And right away, you can see how cool that little rain bar is on that. Let me get you a close-up of that. So very cool. You can mimic some rain with that. And that's how it's sitting in the tank. And again, that sits out here like this, and you can attach that to your power cord. So, but very cool. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.